Hello guys, welcome back to Droid Crunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we're going to talk about Content Planner in SurfersEO. It is a great tool that helps you to see cluster of keywords, and you can see all the magic keywords around a broad keyword, and it helps you in content editor actually. And we will go through how it works and what are its uses. So I am in the Content Planner section of SurfersEO, and here I can choose whether you have to do it through domain or by the keyword. I will choose to go with the keyword, and here I can put in the keyword like example pest SEO tool. Okay, I have already done that. So before you do it, make sure to select the state country for which you want to do it. For now there are like states as well. You can see all of the states in United States, so it's basically for local SEO as well. And here I will just choose to go with this keyword in United States, how to write SEO friendly blog. Okay, you can also manage your keywords in tags. Okay, and now here you can see all the clusters for the main topic. So here is my main topic, and below are all the clusters in all these cards. Okay, now you can filter all these cards in whether you need for local, for customer investigation, for informational, or for shopping. Okay, when you hover over them, you will get to know about more. Like informational denotes to the cluster dominated by informational content, usually long form blog posts about this topic. And customer investigation is by comparison different products, services, listings, catalogs, categories relevant to the cluster. So if you are looking to create content for a post, like long form content, you can filter it from informational. And if you are looking to create content for listing based content for directory or basically a listicle, then you can choose for the customer investigation. Okay, so the topic basically is how to write SEO friendly blog. So it is informational and it looks quite informational, so we will go with the informational. So we have filtered it down. Now you can choose the keywords in the cluster range. Okay, I can go 10 plus for now and apply it. You can set the search volume as well, right? And you can sort from high to low. So now we have our best clusters like SEO international, SEO audit proposal, how to get traffic on your blog. When you click on it, you will see the detailed picture about this cluster. You can navigate between all these clusters by this pagination buttons, right, like this. Okay, and you can see the total traffic about these keywords inside this cluster, right? You can navigate and see how much other clusters have, monthly search volume and traffic, right? When you see that the keywords are okay, and you can also deselect some of them if you don't like them, then you can just simply click on this create content editor. Okay, and it will include all the keywords to the analysis, right? And by the time it is doing its work, you can see all the progress on the top content planner progress section. Okay, so it has included all our 12 keywords, and content editor is almost ready. We can close it down and the progress will continue. It will not stop, and you can see it here, content editor in progress. So the progress is finished. Now I can open the detailed view. Okay, or I can click here, open content editor. I can also copy the public link and I can share it with my content writers as well. And here you can see a new content editor interface has been generated, including all the keywords that were in my cluster, right? And now I can create the content based on that. So this is how it works, and it is very helpful in order to generate some content based on these clusters that are being generated through various statistics available. Okay, so this is all for today's video. If you don't know how to generate content further, you can check out my video about SurfersEO content editor, and I will leave a link in the description, or you can also check out the I button probably. And that's it. And if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you are new, please hit the bell icon so you get updates about the new videos. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.